Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the class studio. Today we learn 5th standard, Unit 3 The Child Who Saved Forests, Comprehension and Vocabulary. Let's start. Vocabulary V1. Find one word for each of the following from the lesson. First one, a place where wild animals live. Answer is forest. Second one, a thing or a person liked very much. Love. Third one, to come back. Return. Answer is return. Fourth one, to write back. Answer is replay. Fifth one, where there is no danger. Safe. V2. Rearrange the letters to get names of different trees. There is a letters are jumbled. You have to write the correct word. Okay. First one, K-A-O. That is O-A-K. Oak. Second one, B-B-O-A-M-O. That is B-A-M-B-O-O. Bamboo. Third one, M-A-L-P. That is P-A-L-M. Palm. Fourth one, M-E-N-E. That is N-E-E-M. Neem. Fifth one, E-P-I-N. That is P-I-N-E. Pine. Sixth one, U-C-A-E-P-Y-L-T-U-S. That is E-U-C-A-L-Y-P-T-U-S. That is eucalyptus. Next, we come to the comprehension. That is, answer the following. First main. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. First one, where did Prem and his family live? The answer is Prem and his family lived in a small village near Bandipur forest. Second one, why was Prem sad? The answer is Prem heard that the forest trees will soon be cut, so he came home sad and worried. Third one, what did Prem and his friend Nasreen do to solve the problem? The answer is Prem and his friend wanted to appeal to the authorities to drop the ideas of cutting trees. Fourth one, whom did they write the letter to? The answer is Prem wrote a letter to the president of Gram Sabha. Fifth one, what was the complaint about? The answer is petition was for not cutting the trees in the forest. Sixth one, who signed the complaint? Answer is Prem, parents and their friends, and they also took the signatures of the people in the local community who signed the complaint. Seventh one, what did the president of Gram Sabha write back to Prem? The answer is the Gram Sabha president replied that your request for not cutting trees in the forest has been accepted. We have decided not to cut trees in the forest. Next heading, C2. Discuss with your friends and answer the following questions in 4 to 6 sentences each. First one, describe Prem's love for the forest and the animals. The answer is Prem and Nasreen were friendly with the animals in the forest. Prem and Nasreen were feeling sad after hearing about the cutting of trees in the forest. So, they wanted to stop it and write a letter to the president of Gram Sabha. The president of Gram Sabha wrote back saying that they will let the trees stay in the forest. Second one. How did the president of Gram Sabha praise Prem? The answer is the president of Gram Sabha praised Prem that we are happy about the love you have shown towards nature. Your request for not cutting trees in the forest has been accepted. Now the plants, animals, and birds will be safe. Third one. What do you learn from this lesson? The answer is we learned that we should not cut trees in the forest and we have to save plants, animals, and birds. Next is language exercises. L1. Give the plural form of the following words. First one, deer, deer. Second one, forest, forest. Third one, friend, friends. Fourth one, authority, authorities. Fifth one, community, communities. Rewrite the following sentences using plural forms of the underlined words. Observe the change in the words. You have to write the plural forms of them, okay? First one, where will the animal go if there are no trees? Underlined words are animal and trees. The answer is where will the animals go if there are no trees? Second one, the deer came sprinting towards him. Deer, him. The answer is the deer came sprinting towards them. Third one, I have good habits. The answer is I become we in the plural form, okay? We have good habits. Fourth one, the community was lived near the forest, signed it. The communities that lived near the forests signed it. Fifth one, I appreciate your love for animals and birds. Answer is we appreciate your love for animals and birds. L3. It's a speaking time. Sit in a pairs and discuss about your favorite animal and why you like it. You have to discuss with your friends or relatives about your favorite animal. ನಿಮಗಿಷ್ಟವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಮೈ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಯನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಯನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. L4. Speech sounds. Listen to your teacher not pronouncing some letters in the given words. Such letters are silent letters. In English, we pronounce some words. In the words, some letters are silent. For example, iron, should, could, would. In these words, here L is silent. ನೋಡಿ, should, could, would ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ L ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು L ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನೋ, ಕೆ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೆ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ನೈಫ್, ನೀ, ಕೋಮ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಬವ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದೆಮ್. ಇವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, thus the comprehension is completed, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.